Welcome everyone. Today we are going to start our video with this cute little scarecrow, and it's very easy to draw. See how nice it looks. Don't forget to put some cool colors here so that it will look more attractive and kids will get attracted and will definitely try to draw this one. Let's try to draw this kid, and the kid looks very happy and has blushing cheeks. I like the gills he is wearing. You can draw this one. Difficulty level is medium, and the kids between the age group of 11 and 12 can draw this very well. You can use any of your favorite color. I am using blue one as I guess blue looks more good on boys. This drawing represents a baby playing on a horse toy and has some more toys in his hand. It's very easy to draw. You can first trace it using a pencil. After that, you can make the bold lines using your marker or any other color. It's very easy. Just give it a try. Kids are very fond of teddy bears. Now, today we will draw a big cute teddy bear like shown here. See how cool this one looks, and it's very easy to draw. Kids between the age group of 8 to 12 years can draw this easily. Just few practices and you will become a pro in this one. In just few simple steps, you will be able to draw this artist. See how it's having palette full of colors in his hand and is holding a brush in his other hand. See how joyfully he's trying to paint something. It's a cute cat. It's having fun on sledge. It's having a cool ride, and see how it's winking its eyes. This one is very easy and you can draw it well. I guess it's suitable for the kids of age between 12 to 13. If you want to draw some of the memorable year of your time, you can draw it like we are here drawing about 2020 and see how easy it is. Just have a careful look here. We are going to draw a woman using some numbers. As previously we were drawing a man. Now see how easy it is. Let's try to draw a superhero kid. Like see, we are drawing here. It's very easy, and this drawing is suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11 years. Number magic is the cool one. We are drawing 8, 3, 6, 7 and so many other numbers, and see how it converts into a man. See a bird that's also present above in the sky next to her. This is one of the famous cartoon character from the Teletubbies, and today we are going to draw this one. It's having a ride on its scooty, and you can try to draw this one. The difficulty level is medium, and it's suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 12 years. Thanks for watching.